The Chinese language. One of the oldest and most sophisticated languages in the world is Chinese. It has tens of thousands of characters, each of which stands for a different thought or idea. Chinese characters are pictographic and ideographic, in contrast to the English language, which is based on an alphabet. This implies that each character has a unique meaning and pronunciation and needs to be learned separately. Mastering the tones is one of the difficulties in learning Mandarin. There are 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese, and each one alters the meaning of a word. For instance, depending on the tone employed, the word ma might signify mother, horse, scold, or to hemp. The writing system of Chinese is another distinctive aspect. Chinese letters are written vertically from top to bottom and from right to left, in contrast to the majority of other languages, which are written from left to right or right to left. Beginners may find this difficult, but with practice, it becomes second nature.